All right, let's see if third time is the charm. Yes, it is. Had trouble getting completely logged in earlier. I'm not sure what the deal was. Sometimes Zoom's a little incompatible with YouTube. Anyway, we'll start over again. Today is the last day of the year, last business day. And I'll give our first line because we're about to start. You may have heard it already, but in the morning,
Okay, pause already. Did anyone expect a courtroom live stream to open with what sounds like a folk song about revenge, borders, and hangmen? This judge is setting a vibe. And trust me, when a courtroom starts with poetry, you know today's docket might be unconventional.
you go gunning for the man who stole your water. You fire till he is done in, but they catch you at the border. And the mourners are all singing as they drag you by your feet. But the hangman isn't hanging, so they put you on the street. Bill in Iowa knows this. All right, Mr. George is here. I think Miss Jackson is out gathering our defendants. As I said, we only have a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 arraignments, no pretrials.
This is classic courtroom irony, a nearly empty docket, yet somehow still guaranteed to take all morning. Hurry up and wait isn't just a phrase, it's basically the unofficial motto of the legal system.
But as I said, I've got to use this time to do some research. So we'll hurry up and wait here for a minute till we line up our customers. Best wishes to everybody who's still on vacation. We worked yesterday and today. We'll have the New Year's Eve and New Year's off. And one of the reasons this day is so light, it's hard to sell this day. People don't really want to come in on the 30th of December.
Good morning again.
Good morning. And again, thank you to Susan for thinking of us from Landrum, South Carolina. All right, apparently I have 3 customers. And what time it is in Caribbean. Friday is the first Friday of the month, January the 2nd. Same problem. We had a difficult time getting stuff set for that day, and we do have quite a bit scheduled on that day. Couldn't really do much landlord-tenant that afternoon, so we do have some civil matters. So Friday will be kind of light also. I think the chat is frozen. I'm not sure what the deal is, but I'll turn it off here in a minute when people line up. We have 7 defendants listed and only 3 are here. It's going to be a short morning. I guess that's all right. We got other work to do. Good morning, Mr. Stickley. All right, looks like it's time to get to work. Not sure what's up with the chat, but there it is. All right, we'll try that. From the song Gaucho. Good morning, everybody. We had some glitches here. All right, everybody, thank you for saying good morning. Let's do it again. Several other songs with that title, including a new one, the Sheryl Crow version.
Technical issues, frozen chat, musical references. This is what modern court looks like, folks. Justice, but make it live streamed. And honestly, moments like this humanize the process more than any law textbook ever could.
It's a Christian song, but that one is the one that counts. All right, Mr. Stickley's here on the last day of the business year. He's ready to go. We got several defendants here and they're ready to go. So good morning, everybody. Let's turn the record on, turn the live feed off. And we're going to start with Destiny Marciniak. Good morning, Miss Marciniak.
Good morning.
I was disappointed to see this, I must confess.
Yeah, me too.
Yes.
It's been a long time.
You got a ticket on December 13th, Michigan Avenue and 131, right there at the intersection. Oops, I thought I did hit it. I'm sorry.
Here we go.
This is file 252580 OD, People versus Destiny Marie Marciniak. Mr. Marciniak, Miss Marciniak, you got charged with operating while intoxicated. I can't tell very much from this ticket. It says chemical breath test, PR bond when sober. I can't tell what the blood alcohol level was. Drunk driving, as it's originally called, operating while intoxicated, is a misdemeanor.
Now lock in. This is where things get serious. Operating while intoxicated isn't just a traffic ticket. In Michigan, it's a misdemeanor with real consequences that can follow you for years.
It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. Carries 6 points on your driving record and requires that your license be suspended. I guess that's it. My recommendation to you, Miss Marciniak, would be that I get a lawyer to help you with this, and you plead not guilty, and I set it for a pretrial. Is that acceptable to you?
Yes.
This is a huge moment. When a judge tells you to get a lawyer and plead not guilty, that's not judgment, that's protection. Pretrials are where cases are won, reduced, or completely reshaped behind the scenes.
All right, you've also got a bunch of unpaid money to the court. You don't owe me money, but you owe the court money. There's an old embezzlement that you owe just $90 on. And then you've got another case, a retail fraud, you owe $496. So I want you to stop out at the counter. You're going to have to stop out there anyway. Are you still at apartment 103?
Correct, yeah.
All right. This happened in the city of Three Rivers, so it was written under Three Rivers ordinance. Thank you for being here on time. Are you missing work?
No, I'm off today.
We're going to appoint an attorney and set an attorney pretrial for February 6th at 8:30. I'll note defendant owes $586. Next year starts my last year. I've been joking that.
Did you catch that? A judge nearing retirement, joking, but not really joking, about outstanding court debt. It's a reminder that court fines don't disappear with time or charm.
I want to collect all the money that's owed before I retire next December. So we'll work on you too. All right, Ms. Marciniak, you go out, we'll get a lawyer to help you with this, and I'll see you in February.
All right, thank
And
you.
you know what the deal is. I want you to call your lawyer, make an appointment to discuss the case with them. And they'll get the police report, the lab reports, be in a position to discuss this on February 6th.
Okay, all right,
All
thank you.
Devin Curtis.